Hey foodies, just look at this golden, creamy baked feta pasta with its irresistible cheese pull. It's the viral TikTok hit that'll make your mouth water instantly and have you rushing to your kitchen right now. Welcome to today's recipe for the best baked feta pasta that's taken TikTok by storm. It's super quick to prepare, impressively simple for beginner cooks, and delivers that comforting, cheesy goodness we all crave after a long day. This dish is special because it combines tangy feta with sweet roasted tomatoes for a flavor explosion that's ready in under an hour, making it perfect for busy families or a cozy date night. Now, let's get to the ingredients you'll need. 8 oz block of feta cheese, 2 pints of cherry tomatoes, 2 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 4 garlic cloves minced, 1 1 of short pasta like penne or fusilli, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes for a kick, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and salt and black pepper to taste. This serves 4 people and will have you hooked from the first bite, so gather your ingredients and let's dive in. Start by preheating your oven to 200 degrees, and grabbing a large baking dish. We're going to create that magical base for our pasta. Wash and pat dry 2 pints of cherry tomatoes, then toss them with 2 cup of extra virgin olive oil, the minced 4 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and a generous pinch of salt and black pepper until they're glossy and aromatic. Place the 8 oz block of feta cheese right in the center of the baking dish, surrounded by the tomato mixture, and let it sit for a moment so the flavors begin to mingle. Now, while that's marinating, bring a large pot of salted water to a boil for your 1 lubby of pasta. Measure it out and have it ready to go. The garlic's pungent aroma will fill your kitchen, promising that sweet roasted garlic taste that'll make this dish unforgettable. Pop the baking dish into your preheated 200 degrees oven and let it bake for about 20-25 minutes, until the tomatoes burst and release their juicy sweetness while the feta starts to soften and turn golden around the edges. Listen for the gentle popping of the tomatoes and watch for that vibrant red juice. Stir occasionally to ensure even cooking, and you'll see the oil shimmering as the garlic turns fragrant and golden, filling the air with an irresistible aroma. Keep an eye on the feta. It should be softening but not fully melted yet, which takes about 15 minutes in. For the pasta, boil your 1 lubby in the salted water for 8-10 minutes until al dente. Test it by biting a piece. It should have a slight firmness. This first phase builds the base flavors, searing the tomatoes' natural sugars and infusing everything with that garlicky depth. While the tomatoes and feta are baking, drain your cooked pasta and set it aside. Then, once the baking dish is out of the oven, mash the softened feta and burst tomatoes together with a spoon to create a creamy, tangy sauce. It's like magic as the cheese melts into the juices. Now, add in your drained pasta and toss everything together over low heat on the stove for about 2 to 3 minutes, letting the sauce coat each noodle perfectly. If it thickens too much, stir in a splash of pasta water for that silky texture. Pro tip: for a spicier variation, amp up the red pepper flakes to 2 teaspoons. It adds a nice kick without overwhelming the dish. As you stir, you'll notice the sauce simmering gently, thickening and clinging to the pasta, building layers of creamy, tangy, and sweet flavors that make this recipe a true standout. Taste and adjust seasoning with more salt and black pepper if needed. Then garnish with fresh basil leaves for a pop of color and herbal freshness that brightens the whole dish. Plate it up in warm bowls, drizzling any extra sauce over the top for that glossy finish. The pasta should look inviting with its golden hues and creamy pockets of feta. The final texture is al dente pasta coated in a velvety sauce, with the burst tomatoes adding juicy bursts and the melted cheese creating that signature pull. This step really ties it all together, making your kitchen smell like a cozy Italian trattoria and turning a simple meal into something extraordinary. Take a bite and savor the creamy, tangy feta that melts into every forkful, paired with the sweet acidity of the roasted tomatoes and a subtle garlic undertone that dances on your tongue. It's the perfect balance of textures, from the chewy pasta to the soft, gooey cheese. This dish is special because of that incredible cheese pull and the way the flavors layer up, making it comfort food at its finest with a modern twist. For sides, pair it with a fresh salad or garlic bread to soak up the sauce. And if you're meal prepping, store leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3 days. They reheat beautifully in the microwave. Variations could include adding spinach or olives for extra veggies, keeping it versatile for any palate. I can't wait for you to try this baked feta pasta and share your cheese pulls in the comments. Let me know how it turns out. Subscribe for more easy recipes like this every week, and don't miss tomorrow's video on a quick stir-fry sensation.